First of all, I'll select all the image by pressing Ctrl A, and then I'll access the Marquee tool and draw a rectangle while holding Alt to subtract it from the existing selection. I can also hold space and move the starting point of the rectangle if its initial position is a bit off. Now we have selected everything except the object and a small area around it, and by everything I mean everything including the dirt or any background inconsistencies. Great, now we can use the magic wand for a quick finish. I'll click it around the object in a fast manner to include all the necessary areas in the selection. Now when I fill the selection with white, there's still a probability that some residue will be there, but much less than if I used the magic wand all over the background. As for the shadow, which is supposed to stay, it's easy to restore it with a soft history brush. Believe it or not, but if catalog products are shot properly, you won't have to spend more than half a minute to isolate them. It is very important when you have to retouch 500 images like this in a day.